Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here. So I decided to go ahead and give the keto egg fast diet a try. So for this diet, you're going to be having eggs, at least 6 eggs per day, and you're going to be having cheese and some butter. So what you have to do is, like, for every 3 to 4 eggs, you use 2 tablespoons of butter and an ounce of cheese. So yeah, I'm going to stick with 6 eggs maximum per day, and I'll be having 3 in the afternoon, or 3 in the morning and 3 in the afternoon. So yeah, I'm just going to have like 2 meals a day. So yeah, you want to get your cheese. I have some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. I also have lavash kiri, the laughing cow cheese. It's kind of like a cream cheese. So yeah, and I have some butter and eggs. So this diet is supposed to help you get into ketosis very fast. And if you don't know what ketosis is, it's basically a metabolic process whereby your body turns to burn fat rather than carbs. So it's very good for those who just want to lose weight very fast, or lose fat, not even the weight, lose fat. And then those who want to get into ketogenic diet for the long run. Sometimes it takes about 2 weeks to get into ketosis with the regular ketogenic diet, but the egg fast will help you get into ketosis way faster. So you might want to give it a try. So let's see how I did. So before I began, I had to take my weight. Let's see what I got. Okay, so my weight is 90.15 at the beginning. So yeah, at the end we'll come in and weigh in again. It's the morning of day 1 and I'm having scrambled eggs. So I used 3 eggs, and remember I said before that I was going to separate my meals, or separate the eggs into 2 meals. So yeah, now I'm having 3 eggs, and later in the day I'm going to also have 3 eggs. So right now I'm about to scramble my eggs, and I'm using butter, and I'm going to add a slice of cheddar cheese to it. Later in the day, I still had scrambled eggs. That was around 4 p.m. I had 3 scrambled eggs. Make sure you put your 2 tablespoons of butter and cheese. You need your quality fats. So yeah, I finished the food and I was still hungry, and this is my reaction. Yeah, it was funny, but I was still hungry. And I ended up exercising at night. Yeah, I don't know why I felt like exercising. But for the next 2 days or so, I didn't exercise. I wasn't feeling like it. So yeah. So moving on to day 2, I decided to do cream cheese and egg pancakes in the morning. So I'm going to use 2 eggs for this and 2 slices of the cream cheese. So yeah, I'm just going to break the eggs into the blender and add the cheese to it and just blend it. I like my pancakes very dry, so that's what I'm trying to achieve here. It's about 4 p.m. and it's time for me to have my second meal of the day, and I'm going to have 4 eggs. Remember, I had 2 eggs in the morning, so now I need to complete my daily 6 eggs target. So yeah, now I'm just going to scramble 4 of those eggs. You want to make sure you add in your butter and your cheese. Hey guys, so today is my last day on the egg fast diet, and in the morning I'm having 2 fried eggs, and yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to end this diet. So later in the evening I had some deviled eggs. Instead of using mayonnaise, I had to use the cream cheese and the butter. In fact, I just did my own mixture for the deviled eggs. So yeah, that's it. I couldn't use the mayonnaise I had because it has sugar in it, so I just had to use the cream cheese. I added some butter and I tried to melt it. Is that what I did? Yeah, that's what I did. Then added the egg yolk into the mixture, just mixed it up and then filled back the yolks. When all that was done, I sprinkled some black pepper on top of the eggs, and my deviled eggs were ready to be eaten. So I forgot to mention earlier, I've been drinking water from my alkaline cup, and this particular alkaline cup is from Long Reach and it contains about 13 minerals. So I was hoping that I could get some of the nutrients or some of the minerals I was missing out from just eating eggs for 3 days. So yeah, hopefully that worked. Anyway, I'm super excited that this diet is coming to an end. It was pretty hard, but I'm glad I made it through to the 3rd day. So let's see how I did. It's the morning of the 4th day and it's time for me to weigh in. So let's see what I've got. So remember, I started at 90 kgs. Wow, so now it's 87. So that's about 3 kgs lost in 3 days. That's pretty awesome. So if you guys like, you can try this diet just to lose some extra pounds or kgs very fast. So yeah, I'll approve this diet, but don't do this over 5 days. I personally just tried this diet to see if it works, and it really works, so you can go ahead and give it a try if you want. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have further questions, please leave them in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel.